So this is a video so you guys can hear this new exhaust. Well, not quite so new. A friend of mine bought it from a website in Germany. It actually consists just of extensions on the original Scrambler line. It's a 2009 EFI Scrambler. And these two little shiny bits that stick on the end of the standard Scrambler line are pretty much what you can buy. Pretty cheap, I think about 99 euros. And it actually makes quite a nice sound. So still a bit loud, but quite nice. You might have seen my other video. I've got a Zard. I had a Zard cross exhaust, which went underneath. Sound was nice, but these ones sound so much nicer. So I'll let you guys hear and you can tell me what you think.